Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both phone and PC so the flash can proceed cleanly. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then confirm OEM unlock. This step allows custom firmware. Install platform tools and drivers on your computer so fastboot and a DB can communicate. Once done, power the device into bootloader or fastboot mode. Use the button combo or a DB reboot bootloader. Make sure the PC recognizes the device. This prevents interruptions and ensures you can flash partitions safely. You now flash the actual firmware in the correct order to avoid boot failures. First, verify the ROM matches your model, then unzip and inspect images. Flash VB meta if required to avoid verification blocks, then flash boot, system, vendor, and other partitions with fastboot. Use the vendor-specified sequence. After critical groups, run fastboot reboot bootloader to reinitialize partition tables. Make sure to check return codes and device responses after each command. Failures here tell you whether to retry or abort. You finish by clearing transient data and verifying the device boots cleanly. Wipe cache and do a factory reset if the ROM notes recommend it. This prevents conflicts from previous system data. Then reboot to system and verify boot, signal, sensors, and storage. If the phone enters a boot loop or shows verification errors, reflash the exact matching images or restore stock firmware via recovery or vendor tool. One key troubleshooting tip: always recheck model ID and VB meta sign status before retrying to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.